You can wear most of your summer wardrobe for another 2 months. You do not need a new fall wardrobe on September 1st. You need to know how to carry what you already own into the new season. Today, I'll show you exactly how. This video is part of my Transitioning into Fall series, so make sure that you also watch at least the last two videos in case you haven't done that yet. If you did, you've audited your closet, you know your real gaps, and you have your 7 formulas. Now, let's actually bridge the two seasons using pieces you already own, plus a couple of key structural accessories that do a lot of the transitional work. Let's think about linen and summer dresses under blazers. A lightweight summer dress or linen piece instantly reads fall appropriate the moment you add a structured blazer over it. The blazer changes the temperature and the formality signal. Same dress, completely different season. If you want to make this look even more fall appropriate, play with colors. For example, wear a brown blazer over a light dress. Navy blue is a color that works in all seasons, and so does beige. White is more of a typical summer color, but at the same time, it reads as very elegant and old money. So feel free to continue wearing your white blazer in the transitioning season and also later on in autumn. Swap your sandals for loafers or ballet flats. Shoes are one of the fastest, cheapest ways to signal a season change. Gradually replacing sandals with loafers or ballet flats in the same neutral tones keeps existing outfits intact while shifting the whole look into fall. There's no need to change the rest of the outfit yet. Footwear alone carries a lot of seasonal weight. And finally, when the temperatures drop a little bit, we can take out our beautiful loafers and ballet flats again. I don't know about you, but I'm really missing my loafers and looking forward to wearing them again. We had a very hot summer this year, and everything else than sandals on my feet felt like torture. Pair white and cream with cognac, navy, chocolate, and olive. Summer whites and creams don't need to be packed away. Pairing them with deeper, richer fall tones like cognac, navy, chocolate brown, or olive instantly grounds them for the new season. And now it can be more than just bag and sandals. Maybe a shirt, a light cardigan, or a cotton jacket in olive, chocolate, or navy over a white or cream tank top, a light dress, or a silk blouse, or whatever. This kind of cross-season color pairing is part of the color strategy pillar in the Elegant Wardrobe System. If you want the full color map for your own palette, that's linked below. Wear a summer skirt with a fine knit. A simple high leverage move is to take a summer skirt like linen, cotton, or even a lighter print and pair it with a fine fall knit instead of a summer top. Then you have an instant seasonal shift and zero new purchases. The knit really has to be a light one, otherwise it might be too warm yet. But also a light knit adds instantly warmth and coziness and brings those first fall vibes to your look. Balance light fabrics with more structured accessories. This is where the accessory conversation becomes central. Transitional weather doesn't always call for heavy fabrics yet. When your clothing is still lightweight, a more structured accessory, specifically a structured leather bag, does the work of grounding the outfit and signaling fall, even when the fabrics underneath are still light. So this is the right time to pack away your raffia bags and take out your leather bags. Besides cognac, also chocolate brown or black are great options now. Personally, I have already picked my favorites for this transitional period and currently I am waiting for delivery. But let me give you a sneak peek. I ordered the Parisa Wang Gabrielle 35 in dark brown as my new work bag for the season. It's substantial, grounding, it pairs naturally with the cognac navy chocolate palette that I've mentioned earlier, and it's ideal for carrying a linen dress or summer blazer combination into office appropriate territory. Parisa Wang Medicine Medium in Black is my new day to night bag. It's sleeker, more versatile, and the piece that takes a transitional daytime outfit like a cream top or a summer skirt with loafers straight into an evening version without changing anything else. A genuinely structured bag is one of the few single pieces that can shift an entire outfit season and formality at once, which is exactly why it's worth investing in one or two really well made options rather than several trend driven ones. Choosing accessories that actually do this much structural work instead of just being nice bags is a big part of what we cover inside the Elegant Wardrobe Method. The course launches in September, and honestly, transitional season is the best possible time to actually apply it because you'll see immediately how much easier dressing becomes with the right anchor pieces. So let's also have a look at what not to do. And this is you should skip the full new fall wardrobe. Buying an entirely new fall wardrobe every year keeps you locked in the same closet full but nothing to wear cycle that I mentioned and discussed in video 1. The transitional pieces that I mentioned above, a blazer, a knit, a couple of key accessories, do 90% of the seasonal work. 2 months of your summer wardrobe is still very much wearable, just recontextualized. This is a great time to get creative with what you have and discover what your wardrobe actually has to offer. And I am convinced that this is going to surprise you a lot. So, layer your linens under blazers, swap your sandals gradually, pair your whites and creams with deeper fall tones. Add a fine knit to your summer skirts and let one or two truly structured bags, like the Parisa Wang pieces I showed today, do the heavy lifting when your clothing is still light. That's a full seasonal transition without buying a single new fall wardrobe. If you want the full color map and fabric weight logic behind all of this, the Elegant Wardrobe System is linked below. And if you want the complete system for building a wardrobe like this every single season, not just this one, the Elegant Wardrobe Method course is coming in September. In the next video, we're going to cover the 10 fall pieces that always look elegant, the only real additions worth making this season. See you in the next one. Stay stylish.